Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars in full screen on your iPhone. Many players want to maximize their gaming experience by utilizing every pixel of their device's display. We will go through the essential steps to ensure your game fills the entire screen, providing a more immersive and enjoyable experience. It's a straightforward process that involves checking a couple of key settings on your phone. First, let's check your iPhone's display zoom settings. Open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Look for Display Zoom and make sure it is set to Standard. Sometimes, if it's set to Zoomed, it can prevent apps from fully utilizing the screen, leaving black bars. Switching to Standard ensures your apps, including Brawl Stars, can expand to fill the entire display. Next, it's crucial to ensure your Brawl Stars app is completely up to date. Developers frequently release updates that include optimizations for different screen sizes and resolutions. Head over to the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check for any pending updates. If Brawl Stars has an update available, download and install it. This simple step can often resolve display issues and ensure the game runs optimally. After adjusting your display zoom and updating the game, it's time to confirm everything. Close Brawl Stars completely, then reopen it. You should now see the game filling your entire iPhone screen, from edge to edge, including around the notch or dynamic island. This provides a much more engaging and visually appealing experience. Enjoy your full-screen Brawl Stars adventure with improved clarity and immersion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.